What if I told you that in 2026, one source of income is no longer enough? The world has changed. Millions of ordinary people are making money from YouTube, online stores, freelancing, digital products, and AI-powered businesses, all without owning a large company. The biggest mistake people make is believing they need a lot of money to start making money. The truth is, income follows value, not excuses. In this video, I'll show you 7 realistic ways to make money in 2026. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. They're business models that can grow from a side hustle into a full-time income if you're consistent. Let's get started. Income Stream 1. Start a YouTube channel. YouTube is still one of the most powerful ways to build wealth online. The best part is that you don't have to show your face. There are channels making thousands of dollars by creating videos about business, finance, football, technology, motivation, history, and tutorials. You earn money through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and selling your own products. Here's the strategy. Choose one niche. Upload consistently. Improve 1% with every video. Don't chase viral videos. Chase valuable videos. One good video can continue earning money for years. Remember, YouTube isn't just content, it's a digital asset. Every upload becomes another employee working for you 24 hours a day. Income Stream 2. Sell digital products. Digital products have one huge advantage. You create them once, and you can sell them repeatedly. Examples include LUTs for color grading, Lightroom presets, Canva templates, .ebooks, video transition packs, sound effects, editing overlays. If you're a creative person, this is one of the highest profit businesses because there's no inventory and no shipping costs. Imagine creating one LUT pack and selling it 100 times. The work happened once. The income happens repeatedly. Focus on solving a specific problem. People don't buy files, they buy results. Income Stream 3. Freelancing. Right now, businesses around the world are hiring people online every single day. They need video editors, graphic designers, voice-over artists, thumbnail designers, social media managers, colorists, and AI content creators. You don't need an office, you need a skill. Start by mastering one service instead of trying to do everything. Build 5 strong portfolio examples. Then approach clients confidently. Your first client won't change your life, but your first 10 clients might. Freelancing teaches 2 valuable lessons: how to sell and how to deliver value. Both skills are priceless. Income Stream 4. Build a Shopify or TikTok shop. Business.e-commerce is bigger than ever, but here's the secret. Don't sell everything. Sell one winning product. Find a product that solves a problem or saves time. Create professional videos. Use short-form content to attract attention. Whether you're dropshipping or holding inventory, your real job isn't selling products. It's creating trust. People buy from brands that look professional. Good product photos, clear descriptions, fast customer support, strong branding. A small store with one great product often performs better than a large store selling hundreds of random items. Keep it simple. Income Stream 5. Learn a high-income skill. Your greatest investment isn't cryptocurrency, it's your skill set. High-income skills include video editing, AI automation, copywriting, sales, digital marketing, web design, photography. These skills are valuable because businesses willingly pay for results. Spend 1 hour every day learning. That's 365 hours in a year. Most people waste that time scrolling social media. Imagine where your income would be if you invested that same time into becoming exceptional at one skill. Your income usually grows in direct proportion to the value you create. Income Stream 6. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest businesses to start because you don't need your own product. You recommend products or services. When someone buys through your referral link, you earn a commission. The key is trust. Don't promote everything. Promote products you've actually researched and believe can help your audience. For example, editing software, camera gear, online courses, business tools, finance apps. Build content around education first. Sales come naturally when people trust your recommendations. Never chase commissions. Chase credibility. Credibility creates long-term income. Income Stream 7. Create a personal brand. This is the income stream that multiplies every other one. A personal brand is simply people knowing you for one valuable thing. Maybe you're known for business advice, phone repairs, photography, music production, fitness, or entrepreneurship. When people trust your knowledge, opportunities begin appearing. Sponsors contact you, clients find you, companies collaborate with you, your products become easier to sell. A personal brand isn't about becoming famous, it's about becoming memorable. Teach consistently, share results, help people solve problems. Influence follows value. The biggest money mistake. Many people spend months searching for the perfect business idea. Meanwhile, someone else starts with an imperfect idea and improves it every week. Action beats perfection. Don't wait for expensive equipment. Don't wait for perfect lighting. Don't wait until you know everything. Your first video will be average. Your first product won't be perfect. Your first client may pay very little. That's normal. Every successful entrepreneur was once a beginner. Progress creates confidence, not the other way around. How to build a $1,000 per month plan. Let's make this practical. Imagine your goal is $1,000 every month. Here's one possible strategy. YouTube, 300 freelance editing, 400 digital. Products, 150 affiliate commissions, 150, that's 4 income streams working together. Notice something important. No single stream carries all the pressure. That's how financially resilient people think. Multiple small rivers create a powerful ocean. Your 30-day action plan. For the next 30 days, do this. Week 1. Choose one skill to master. Week 2. Create 5 portfolio projects. Week 3. Publish content every day. Week 4. Contact at least 20 potential clients or launch your first digital product. Don't measure success by money in the first month. Measure it by momentum. Skills grow, audiences grow, businesses grow. Income follows all 3. If you remember one lesson from this video, let it be this. The fastest way to make more money is to become more valuable. Learn a skill, create content, build a product, solve problems, and repeat the process consistently. Your future income is being built by what you decide to do today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.